Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Oracle Application Express, or also known as Apex. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Oracle Application Express, or Apex? Oracle Apex, also known as Apex, is an enterprise low-code application development platform from Oracle Corporation. Apex is used for developing and deploying cloud, mobile, and desktop applications. So the trend nowadays is creation of applications that it takes short period of time and small code, or a few code, no? So it is called low code applications that can be developed in a short span of time, and then it can deploy on different platforms. In this case, Apex can be used in cloud, mobile, or desktop applications. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.